Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jewel and I'm here on YouTube as Coastal Bassline Eats. And what I'm making today is super delicious. It's basically a smoothie in cookie form. Cool, so we'll get started with one of the main ingredients, which is a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And I did warm up the peanut butter when I made this recipe to make things a little bit easier to mix. Then I added in a 1/4 cup of sugar. Next up is another one of the main ingredients, which is coconut flour. So I'll just add in a 1/2 cup of coconut flour and mix this mixture together until it is crumbly. Next, I mashed up 2 very ripe bananas, and these bananas act as the binding agent for the cookies. The final prep for the cookie dough is to add the mashed bananas to the coconut flour peanut butter mix and then mix it all together for it to come together as one. One quick tip here, when you're working with coconut flour, sometimes it is helpful to let the mixtures sit for a bit before cooking them. And in this case, I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the mixture has sat, next I'm preparing my cookie sheet with some parchment paper. I like to use parchment paper because it's easy cleanup and it is somewhat healthier because you don't have to butter a pan or anything like that. But I usually mainly like it because of the easy cleanup. So this mixture makes 9 to 12 cookies. I made 9 cookies here, and you can see they're rather large. If you made them a little smaller, you could get a full dozen cookies. So it's up to you how you want to go about it. Once I scooped out and shaped the cookie dough, I pressed it down with a fork and got that classic crisscross peanut butter cookie look. And then I popped the cookies in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, and this will depend on your oven and the color that you want your cookies to come out. So as you can see here, there's a beautiful golden brown cookie color at the bottom, and I let the cookies cool in the pan for a bit before moving them onto the cooling rack to cool completely. These cookies are really delicious and they are also versatile. You can experiment by mixing in some chocolate chips. Also, some coffee grounds would be great. Maybe instead of sugar, you might want to try it with honey. So there's just a lot of ways that you can play with these and have a delicious bite. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope this inspired you to try these cookies for yourself. If it did, let me know how it turned out. And also be sure to check out my other videos for more great food content.